lad named Lucky continue.
September's looking at a new dog toy. Oh, as soon as there you go. What's that? What do you got there? Huh?
Something more suited to my pet needs.
What is it?
A faithful companion.
There you go.
It would be capable of killing on telepathic command.
What is it? Give me that.
So not a puppy. Please, no, nothing so pedestrian. I wanted a griffin.
A griffin.
Yes, half eagle, half lion.
And mythological.
Irrelevant. I was studying recombinant DNA technology, and I was confident I could create one, but my parents were unwilling to secure the necessary eagle eggs and lion semen. Of course, my sister got swimming lessons when she wanted them.
Sheldon, not that we don't all enjoy a good lion semen story.
What's your point? My point is, if Kuthrapali is moving on to a new life of shallow, undeserved fame, then perhaps this is an opportunity to create a better cohort.
You want to breed a new friend?
That's one option, but who has the time? But consider this. The Japanese, they're doing some wonderful work with artificial intelligence. Now, you combine that with some animatronics from the Imagineers over at Disney, next thing you know, we're playing Halo with a multilingual Abraham Lincoln.
Sheldon, don't take this the wrong way, but you're insane. That may well be, but the fact is it wouldn't kill us to meet some new people.
For the record, it could kill us to meet new people. They could be murderers or the carriers of unusual pathogens. And I'm not insane. My mother had me tested.
If we do get a new friend, he should be a guy you can trust. You know, a guy who has your back. He should have a lot of money and live in a cool place down by the beach where we can throw parties.
We should share our love of